In the UGREENNAS Theater, the Collections feature offers a smart and personalized way to manage your movie and television library. It helps you stay organized and enjoy a smoother viewing experience. Using built-in recognition, the system can automatically group movies from the same series and organize television shows by season. From the home page, click Collections on the left navigation bar to see all your collections. To view collections in a specific library, open that library, click the filter icon, and select Collections as the type. To create a new collection, go to Collections and click Create Collection, Edit Information. Here, you can set a cover and background, name your collection, choose a library, and write a short intro. For example, you might group together movies on a similar theme. If you don't upload a cover, the system will use the poster from the first movie you add. Once it's set up, just select a movie and it will be added to the collection automatically. Once your collection is created, you can manage it anytime. To delete it, click More and choose Delete. This won't affect your actual video files or metadata. To rename, right-click the collection and select Rename. To edit the cover or intro, click Info Edit. You can also manually identify a collection. Choose Manual Recognition and enter the name to search for matching posters and info. To add a movie or show to a collection, hover over its poster, click the three dots icon, and select Add to Collection. You can add it to an existing collection and click Confirm. After adding, you can find it in the library or use the filter in the top right corner to view by collection. If a poster doesn't match the collection content, click three dots and choose Manual Identification. Enter the name and the system will suggest matching posters. Just pick the one that fits best. If you're still not happy with the result, click three dots, Edit Information, upload your own image, and click Save to set it as the collection cover.